Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set apps to use Wi-Fi only and not use 5G on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, we'll need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store and you need to go ahead and download the app called Good Guardian. On your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can download an app from Good Guardian called the Battery Guardian. From here, you can go ahead and prevent data-heavy apps from constantly pinging 5G network, which consumes more battery than Wi-Fi. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up the Good Guardian app. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on Battery Guardian. Now here, you need to go ahead and find Network Power Saving. Tap on this. So here, you want to go ahead and add the apps where you do not want it to use 5G data network when mobile data usage is low. So go ahead and add apps like maybe YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and so on. So these are all data heavy applications as they basically load up video on your phone. So by doing this, you're extending the battery life by ensuring apps like YouTube or social media only connect when you're on Wi-Fi. This is also great if you're on a limited data allowance on your mobile network. So there you go guys, that is how to set apps to use Wi-Fi only on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.